In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect two players in Ben 10 Protector of Earth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily play with two players simultaneously on Ben 10 Protectors of Earth. Regardless of which platform you are playing on, either the Nintendo Wii or the PlayStation 2, all that you need is an additional controller. To my knowledge, these versions will support two-player. However, PlayStation Portable aka PSP will not, so keep that in mind. If you are on the PSP version, then you will not be able to do split screen or couch co-op. So of course, the main requirement is an additional controller, so plug it into your respective console. I'm going to be primarily talking about the PlayStation 2 version, but I'm still going to give you instructions that apply for the Nintendo Wii. Of course, if you are on the Nintendo Wii, you will have to synchronize the Wii mode, so go ahead, press the synchronize button after you remove the battery cover and press the synchronize button on the console itself. For PlayStation 2, plug it in using a cable. Once the controller has been plugged into your console, or it has been connected wirelessly, then all that you have to do is press the start button. So for the secondary controller that you have on the PlayStation 2, press the start button. You have to do this during gameplay, so immediately after the tutorial, for example, and when you press start on the additional controller, player 2 will load in right away. Each of you will have your individual health bar, you can control the Omnitrix, you can use the combos, and you will see each other here. One of you will have this blue circle and the other one will have the red circle. If you are doing this on a Nintendo Wii, instead of pressing start, most likely you will have to press the A button, but the idea is the same. You get through the tutorial, and once you are inside of the game with the controller connected, just press the respective button and player 2 will load in immediately. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two players in Ben 10 Protector of Earth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.